doing a year review of these Invincible shoes. My first opinion of them is they're decent, and they're not uncomfortable, but I would say that if you was on your feet a lot, you'd have to replace the soles. In fact, I'll show you this. One of the biggest weaknesses is the soles in these shoes. I mean, first off, there's not much to them. And, these are basically just completely, they have no more cushion whatsoever to them at all. I mean, but both of them are like this. Let me get the other one real quick. Let's see. Here's the other one. And there's that one. But they're just, the soles are bad. They would protect your feet from impact. I don't know about the nail, protect your feet from nails. They wear pretty good. They got pretty decent grip. I don't know if I would say they got the grip they claim in the demonstrations, but and if you are wearing them in the winter, you'd have a real issue because you would have to have insulated socks, and you would probably still have cold feet. The only plus side is if you was in the summertime and you worked outside, your feet probably wouldn't sweat as bad because it does get pretty good ventilation. Overall, they're decent. They're not great, and for $84, they're not. I wouldn't purchase them for $84. Now these I didn't pay $84 for. I actually got them far cheaper than that. But I wouldn't pay $84 for them. I actually looked at them when I first seen them, and I was going to get me a pair, and I backed out of it. But I finally got me a pair, but it wasn't an $84 price point. But they'll protect your feet from impacts for sure. You could probably have something pretty severe fall on your toe and not hurt you. I don't know how. I've not really looked at the actual rating for that, but something like a brick or some kind of block or something like that, it would be no issue protecting your feet. But I wouldn't recommend them for the price of $84. But they're all right. They're easy to get on. They're fairly decent when it comes to comfort, but they're not great. And I will be replacing my soles, but that's all I wanted to go into. You all have a nice evening, and hopefully this review was helpful. Goodbye.